Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2018 Mazda 2 1.5 GT Sport NAV. This car's finished in machined silver metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, chrome grille surround, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, rear privacy glass, got the rear spoiler and the shark fin roof aerial, body coloured door handles, 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel. Inside the car you've got the part leather and Alcantara upholstery. Rear passenger area. So in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat, electric rear window openings, near side rear alloy wheel, rear parking sensors, and this is also linked to a rear parking camera. To the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. Moving round now onto the driver's side of the car. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Keyless entry with this car as well. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the front electric windows and rear electric windows. You've got electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got the electric folding mirrors. So on the dashboard you've got the controls for the stop start. You've got the lane departure mode, and you can reset the tyre pressure monitored pressure settings, and you've also got the traction control on off switch. Controls on the centre console for the media system. And this car's done 38,098 miles. You've also got the heads-up display, which gives you safer driving, where you don't need to take your eyes off the road. Just glance down to the panel for your speed and other warning signs. 6-speed gearbox, USB, an auxiliary port, 12-volt plugins for accessories, and you've got the SD card holder for the navigation system. Heater controls with climate, which has got climate control, and this car's also fitted with heated front seats. It's onto the media system, so that's the home page. So by turning the dial on the control panel you can select the audio side. So on the audio side you've got the FM, AM and DAB radio stations, you've got the Bluetooth, and then you've got the 2 USB ports, the CD player and the auxiliary port to play your own music. Full screen navigation system. And this car is also equipped with the rear camera, so when you place the vehicle in reverse, there's the view from the rear camera. So on the indicator stalk you've got the light switch, which has got automatic headlamps. On the other side you've got the automatic rain sensitive wipers. Controls on the steering wheel for the cruise control. On the other side you've got the controls for answering and rejecting calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible. Identification plate that tells it's the Mazda 2 1.5 GT Sport NAV Plus with the 115 PS engine. Moving forward now, you've got the driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@H.Mitchell carsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.